Hi, welcome to the Shed. In this episode, we're going to talk about extensions and alterations. Let's start with extensions. So this chord right here I have is a C major 7 chord. It's spelled C, E, G, B, root, 3rd, 5th, and 7th. All of these notes are within 1 octave. An extension are notes that are above 1 octave or outside of 1 octave. Our first extension is this D here. All of these notes are up 1/3 interval. 1/3 up from B is D. This would be the 9th. That's an extension. Up from a 9th, a third from the 9th up would be this F, which is an 11th. Up a third from this F would be an A, which is the 13th. An easy way to remember the letter names of the extensions is through the rule of 7. So you take your extension number, whether it's 13, 11, or 9, and you subtract 7. So 13 minus 7 is 6. That tells you what scale degree this note is. So let's say I'm looking for a D major 13. What's the 13 of D? So 13 minus 7 is 6. The 6th scale degree of D is B. The 13th of D is B. That helps. Okay, so that's extension. Now let's talk about alteration. Alteration is when you take any note besides the root, 3rd, or 7th and you raise or lower it. So let's take a B flat 7 chord. You need to keep the B flat there. The B flat has to be there. That's the root. You need the 3rd there, which would be a D, and you also need the 7th. This is the lowered 7th, which would be an A flat. Now, the 5th, the 9th, the 11th, and the 13th, those can all be altered. They can be raised or lowered. So I'm going to do a B flat 7, sharp 5. So I have my B flat 7 here. I have root, 3rd, and 7th. But this 5, I am going to raise by a half step. That one note, that's an alteration. So extension is when you're taking notes and going above the octave in a chord. And alteration is when you're either raising or lowering either the 5th, the 9th, the 11th, or the 13th.